Hey, hi guys, and this is Ahmed. Now we will do the show or hide a chart lesson or data table. Now the turn is how to add the data elements. Just click on the graph and see the element option, and here we can see the data label. Just click on the data label. See the labels has came, and each and every um, and if you want to add the data table, if you we can add the data table also. You can see the guys. And if you want the lesson, so here the lesson option is there. Just give the lesson, and lesson wherever you want we can move. Okay, now the lesson is in right, now the top, now come to the left and bottom.